So my favorite project for 2018 was the Japanese garden at my house. I've always wanted one, and we've done so many cool landscaping projects incorporating giant rocks into everything, and now we have a hand washing station. We have this big ravine though that we want to put a bridge across so we can walk from one side to the other. So Josh, who helps me with a lot of my projects, set out to build this crazy bridge. He milled all the wood at his home on his home mill out of fallen cedar logs. It was just epic, the wood that we got to use. It was about 3 to 4 inches thick, and we finally finished most of it today, and I just wanted to give you a quick snapshot. Really cool joinery, all live edge, and then a wild freeform edge on the sides, but all the steps were carefully coped in around the rocks, and just a real artsy project. We had a ball doing it. It was so much work, a ton of grinding, but a labor of love that we both really enjoyed. And then we built this freeform bench up there, and all the steps are coped around the rocks. Pretty crazy. We had so much fun making it look like the wood just grew right out of the rocks, and then freeformed all the boards, utilizing the wood as much as possible, trying to eliminate any waste. And then we coped in every board. Even though it's live edge, we made every board fit perfectly. So cool. And then here's the other side with the steps coped again around the rocks. So welcome to my Japanese garden. It's not done yet. Thought I'd give you a little sneak preview of what I've been working on every weekend. So much fun, so beautiful, so tranquil. I can't wait to play my guitar in here. All I can say is thank God I don't have Trump derangement syndrome, because I'd be blaming these boards for growing crooked and making me have to cope them in around these rocks. But to be honest with you, I loved every second of it. Go with the flow, man. Quit fighting everything.